that you see on your screen, this is the exact same website that we'll be creating in this video. Now first of all, let me show you one thing. We have the homepage over here, but I'll show you the homepage later on. First, let's click on search, and this is your search page. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Now I am interested in single listing page first. So if you click on this option, you will see this is how your single listing page looks like. First of all, you have your header at the top. So at the top, first you have the top bar. In top bar, you have some important links like your my account link, notification packages, different important links like your register page, post ad page. Then at the right hand side on the top bar, you have your login page or your login icon and your registration link. Then after that, you have your main header, and in the main header at the left hand side, you have your logo. Obviously, you can change this logo. You can enter your own personal logo. In the middle, we have the menu, and at the right hand side, we have this button, post an ad. Anyone can simply click on this button and they can post their own ads on this website. Then after that, we have the single listing. So first of all, you have your category. So this listing belongs to this category. This is the title of the listing, Canon 80D. And as you can see, this is a featured listing, which means that this person who has listed this over here, they have paid us extra money, and that is the reason why we are featuring their listing on our website. And obviously I'll explain you what is this featured listing, how important it is, and why are they paying us extra money. And this listing was available, or this listing or this product is available in Mumbai. Then after that, we have this button. So if you want to see the phone number of the person who has listed this thing, you can simply click on this button and it will reveal their phone number. Then after that, the date on which this thing was listed, how many views this has got, and what is the price. This person is asking for 60,000 Indian rupees for this camera, and this is a fixed price. So this person, whenever a person is adding a listing, whenever a person is doing a listing, they can select whether the price is negotiable, whether the price is fixed, whether they want bidding system on the website, or whether they want bidding system on this product or something like that. So there are many different options available. Then after that, you have description, you can have a rating, you can share this thing, you can make it favorite, you can report it. For example, if you went in contact with this person, you find something that was, for example, in description it was written it is a new product, but it was not a new product, it was a used product, then you can report this listing. Then when you scroll down, you'll see the images of the listing. So whatever images this person has uploaded, you can see those images. Then you can see some more details. The price, which is again, we have seen 60,000 Indian rupees fixed price. The type is to sell. So this person wants to sell this product. The types can be of different type. For example, it can to buy, it can be to exchange the product. The condition is new, and this is in warranty. As you can see, it says warranty, yes. Then after that, this person can enter different description, like they can describe the product in detail so that it becomes easier for someone to make the decision who want to purchase this product. Then at the bottom, if someone wants, they can give a rating to this product. Now at the right hand side, you have this option. So if you want to contact this person through email, you can do that as well. Then after that, you'll see different categories which are available on this website, and at the bottom, the map. Okay, so there are different types of maps that we'll see: leaflet map, Google Map API. You will see those options. You can also list some safety tips for deal as well. Now for every single thing that you're going to see in this video, there are many different styles or many different layouts available. For example, this is a single page, single listing page. This is how it looks like. Now this is not the only design. For example, if you don't like this single listing page design, you can select some other design. Let me show you some other designs as well. Now as you can see, this is another design. This design now looks totally different. Okay, as you can see, the header, in the header we have all the detail about this person who has listed this thing, who has listed this car. The price is given over here, and this price is auctionable. So as you can see, there are total 5 bids. Highest bid is this, lowest bid is this, and you can see whether the car is new, old. And this design, as you can see, looks totally different from this one. So there are many different designs for every single section, every single page that you're gonna see in this video. Now if someone wants to post an ad, they can simply click on this button, post an ad. If they are automatically logged in, they will see the post in ad page. If they are not logged in, they will see the login page. If they have not logged in, if they are not signed up with the website, not registered with the website, they can click on this link, sign up for an account. They will see the register page, and if they have already registered, obviously they can go back to the login page and they can log into this website. Now when they log into the website, they will see this page. So this is the user page, and here they can click on my ads. They can see all the different ads that they have listed. They can go to packages, they can upgrade their package. So as you can see, for every single package, if you select the individual package which is for $1, this package will be valid for 40 days. You can create 3 simple ads, 5 featured ads, 2 bumper pads. You can upload unlimited number of images and so on and so forth. You can see all the different options. If you select a business package which will cost you around $10, you will get a validity of 1 year, 360 days or 365 days. And with this you can create 30 simple ads, 10 featured ads, 5 bumper pads. And similarly, if you go with premium, you can create, you'll get a validity of lifetime. You can create unlimited simple ads, 30 featured ads and 10 bumper pads. So if someone wants, they can upgrade their plan as well. Now because we are now logged in, now we can click on this button, post an ad, and you will see this page. Now here a person can give it any title, they can select any category, then they will click on next, and here they will see what type of price they are asking for. They are asking for fixed price, negotiable price, or they want to reveal the price only when someone calls them. So you can select this option as well, or they want to make an auction on this product. So I'm selecting maybe negotiable, and I'm giving a price of maybe 10,000, and you can have different currencies. So what is this? $10,000, 10,000 Indian rupees, so or 10,000 pounds, whatever. So as you can see, many different options over here. I'll select 10,000 Indian rupees. Then after that, this person can upload all the different images which is related to this product. And over here, all the images that I've used to create this website, I'm giving everything for free. So all the images that I've used to create this demo website, I've given everything for free. There is a link given in the video description below. When you click on that link, you can download everything for absolutely free. Then this person can give some description about the product, can add some tags. Then they have to select the type of ad. For example, here I'm selling this product, so I'll select sell. Condition of the product, maybe this is a new product, so I'll select maybe new product from here, and this is in warranty, so I'll select yes, and after that I'll click on next. Now here the person has to enter their name, mobile number, their address. Now go at the bottom. If you want to make this ad a featured ad, you can tick mark this thing and you can simply click on submit, and this ad will be submitted. Okay, and you will see that page over here. So this is how the ad looks like. So as you can see, this is a very nice, very professional feature or very professional way of creating this ad. Now let me show you the home page and other pages. So if you want to see your home page, this is how your home page will look like. At the top we have the same header. Then after that we have our first section, the hero section. So in the hero section we have a title, subtitle, and after that we have a search bar. Now similarly, just like the single listing page, for all the different pages and all the different sections, there are many different variations of designs, or there are many different styles and designs available for them. For example, for this section also there are many different designs. Let me show you. So as you can see over here, so instead of this design, if you want, you can just select this design, or maybe you can select this design as well, or maybe even this design. So as you can see, in this design we have a very simple section. We have a nice big search bar, and in the background there is a video which is playing, which is automatically playing. In this design we have the same search bar but in a different manner, in a different form. Here we have this search bar in horizontal form, and here we have that in vertical form. So as you can see, for every single section there are many different designs and layouts available. And obviously this is how it looks. If you're searching for something, for example, if you're searching for iPhone, you can just type in iPhone. You will get all the results over here. So suppose I want to select iPhone 7. Maybe I want to select category. So you can select that category. Which location do you want to search this for? And after that, when you click on search, you will be redirected to the search page. Now in the search page, it will display the location. Now at the right hand side, first of all, it will display the featured ads. Okay. Because these people whose ads are featured, they are paying us some extra money. So this is like Google ads. So whatever your result is, first we will display these featured ads. Then after that we are displaying the actual result, which is this iPhone 7. So this is how this search page looks like, or this is how the search page works. You can also select this option radius. So you can click on this button. It will automatically get your location. For example, for me, it is selecting Mumbai, and I can type in a radius, for example 10 kilometers. Then it will search for iPhone 7 sellers within 10 kilometers of my reach. So you can see this option as well. Now let's go back to homepage. Let's see all the other different sections. Now when you scroll down, you will see this section. So in this section we are displaying different featured listing. Okay, so as you can see, this is a style of displaying listing. There are many different styles of displaying listing. For example, if you see the listing style, it looks something like this. But if the listing style over here looks totally different, as you can see, the listing style over here is different and the listing style over here is totally different. So as I said you earlier, again I'm saying, for every single section, every single thing, there are many different versions, there are many different styles available. You can just simply select any one of those. Now when you scroll down, you will see different categories. So we have different categories over here. If someone is looking for mobile phone, real estate, cars, they can simply click on this category and they will see that option. And when you scroll down, you'll see this option, how this thing works. So you create an account, you get deal, and you're all done. Then again, when you scroll down, we have different subscription packages. So I've created these subscription packages so that you can make some extra money. And I've already shown you how is this thing. So in individual, you have validity of 40 days. You can create 3 ads. We have already seen these things. So we will see how to create different subscription plans, how to integrate PayPal and different payment gateways, how to accept payment on our website, and how to make some extra money with this. Then when you scroll down, you have some numbers, some counter over here. So we have 254 total cars listed on our website. We have more than 100 houses listed for sale on our website. We have more than 100 active users and more than 500 featured jobs on this website. Then a person can also search ads by different locations. So if the person wants to see ads which are listed in maybe Mumbai, they can click on Mumbai and they will see all the ads which are listed in Mumbai. So all the different options are available over here. Then at the bottom, we have your footer. Now this was your homepage. If you want to see, you can see some other pages as well. For example, this is your blog page. I'll show you how to create different pages. So in this case, we are seeing the blog page. Now blog is also very important because through blog, you can get some extra traffic to your website. Then after that, we also have a contact us page. So if you click on contact us, a very simple contact us page is present over here. At the left hand side, we have the contact form, and at the right hand side, you have your contact details. Then you have the listings page wherein you can display all the different listings, and there are many different styles of displaying it. So this is the list view. We have a grid view, we have a modern view, many different styles available. Then after that, you can see different packages. So as you can see, we have created 3 different packages. You can see your dashboard or your profile, and you can see all the different options over here. Alright guys, so this was the demo website. I hope you guys liked the demo website. If you want to create the exact same website, make sure to watch the complete tutorial. And before we start creating this website, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any future notifications. I'm going to create many different useful tutorials. I've already created many different useful tutorials. So if you don't want to miss them, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. And if you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up to this video and share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp and different social media platforms. I would really appreciate if you share this video. And throughout the video, if you have any doubts, any comments, any suggestions for me, you can leave them in the comments section below. With that being said, let's start creating this website. Alright guys, to create any kind of website, whether it be a classified ads listing website, an e-commerce website, a blog, a membership website, a simple website, business website, any kind of website, we need 2 basic things: a domain name and a hosting account. A domain name is simply the name or the URL of your website. For example, nayyarshikh.com, blogtoot.com, youtube.com, google.com. These things are different domain names. And a hosting is basically a computer wherein all your website data is saved. So all the different pages and ads listing that you see on your website, in fact, your entire website is saved in that computer. And that computer is running 24/7, so that whenever someone visits your website from any particular country at any given time, they can always see your website live. Your website should never be down. And these 2 things are very important. In fact, these 2 things are compulsory. Without these 2, we just cannot proceed further. We have to register a domain name so that whenever someone wants to visit our website, they can type in that domain name and they can reach our website. Then after that, we have to get a hosting so that we have a place or a computer wherein we can store our data. And selecting a hosting is very important, because everything related to your website is directly or indirectly dependent on your hosting. For example, your website speed, your website's performance, the user experience on your website, Google ranking of your website is directly or indirectly dependent on your hosting. If you have selected a good and reliable hosting, your website speed and performance will be amazing. If you have selected a bad hosting, obviously your website will load very slow. Whenever someone tries to visit your website and create or go to some other page, it will take a lot of time to load that page. So we don't want that. So for that, we'll have to select a good hosting. Also, the user experience on your website depends on the hosting. If your website loads fast, everything is nice, up and quick, then the user experience on your website improves. And most importantly, if your website is slow and does not load fast, Google will not rank your website higher on their search results. So because of all these things, we have to get a good and reliable web hosting. So